This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is showing this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified, then go ahead and watch the video until the end to fix this issue. Firstly, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Screen Time. Here you will see the option for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that and then tap on Allowed Apps. Here make sure the toggle button for all the applications are toggled on. Now go a step back and tap on Content Restrictions and then tap on Apps. Here tap on Don't Allow firstly and then tap on Allow All again. Now, go back to Settings and tap on General. Check for iOS updates in your software update settings. So tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If not, then go ahead and update your device. Also, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Lastly, in General again, tap on iPhone Storage and tap on the application showing the issue. You will see the option for Delete App. Tap on that and go ahead and delete the application and reinstall it again from the App Store, and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.